Keroka Institute gutokea setinsemo cia Keroka kolengana no mwalimu munene boigomo chief principal bwe skuru iyo Arone Maosa ni gobono abereka gotebuna abana basubati banyale kolendwa na gosikwa ane mono ekero bagwetera makongo kigege chikolengana Arone Maosa ni gate biruna erebyo mwana umunyaroko konyara gotangwa korwa aso wataneka nabo konyara koegwa wanchirwa gwikirania asa mangana lenge toburai nabo gocinga kisegi chege ngangati yali abereka gotebwa ntakumurikiro mono elyo mwana umusubati konyara korobere wobugima kobwatekana buna kati ya barabuni bagwetera emechande menge.
Institution, we are also joining the rest of the world in celebrating the Women's International Women's Day, and with me we have lady trainers, lady staff, and students, female and male students amongst us, because when we are talking about gender equality, we want to also include men. Our men are inclusive because they have mothers, they want to appreciate, they have sisters, and even our male trainers, they also have their wives, daughters that they want to appreciate.
Other than celebrating this day, we are also celebrating some good work, because we had results the other day. We have several women who passed through with the credit in food and beverage. We celebrate them. We have several women who passed in engineering in the national examinations. We celebrate them. And we assure you that as a college, we are geared towards repositioning ourselves.
The major thing to gender to tebia wanafunzi wetu na community na gender teli monto mo teli one sex chonsi bere enyaroka omo kerege ento ngibata opportunity ngasi nyaroka ra kole na mumura ra kole ngasi mumura ra kole na nyaroka ra kole.
We want to take our position up there where other institutions are want to train and fall back. One of the issues we are now very happy bridling on, the VDI. I want to inform the media that our students have started earning money. I have contracted a leasing company from Nakuru, which is contracted to give international online jobs. I'll pay them, they will be on Monday, they will open accounts to our students, and our students will be earning money online as it is required by His Excellency the President.
Abasubati abansba guchigasi na ndibona asenzengima abasubati baye guchingu ata wese kono mukungwa ari n'ichingu.